Once again, you are welcome to this video. The previous video was about the cutting of this cuff and its placket, and now it's time for the preparation. So I place this gum stair. This is a gum stair on it like this. This is the cuff. So I place it this way and then iron it. That means to let it go. I press it to the cuff to go, and trim out the excess of the gum stair. Trim them out. Okay, turn it over and fold it this way. This is how you're going to fold it, remaining that ½ inch above. So you fold it, level it with the other side. Yes, level it with the other side, and then press it again. And then to the flap or the placket, the covering of the openings by the hand, we put a gum stair too, then iron. After ironing, we trim the excess out. Trim out the excess and then fold this way. This is how I'm folding it to make the edges smooth. So just follow the way I'm folding it right now. Fold it this way. Just carefully follow it the way I'm folding it. It's very easy. It's quite easy to fold. Okay, fold it well. Yeah, turn it to the other side and then press it again. Try to look neat. You can see that, very neat. Okay, now we measure out the width of the cuff. We measure it out. We take out the 1 inch. Remember, we measured 11. And when we take out 1, it will be 9, approximately 9, which is the real measurement. So you take out 1 from this side and take out 1 from the other side. So after this, now you just draw this line and just demarcating the part that I will sew. So you just kind of marking out the part to sew when I'm sewing it, when I get to the sewing machine. So this is where we are now going to make the shape of the cuff. So like this one I'm making now, I curve it little by the end. So you curve it again the other end. Then verify if the curve are equal. See if it's equal. Okay, so I'm going to sew this way and sew the other way. I get to the machine now. Okay, in this placket, I'm going to fold it to make the center visible. Just want to determine the center of the placket, because that is where I'm going to make a cut. So by making it this way, I'm able to get the center. This is the center of the placket. So from this place, I measure 4. Measure 4. rule. Just draw it out so I will have it marked out, and then I cut. Cut it perfectly just by the center, and do not exceed that 4 inches. Okay, now let's get to the sewing machine, and then this is how I sew the cuff, following the marking. Okay, do that gently so that you won't miss out the marking. After that, you sew the other side too. Yeah, finish sewing it, and then the next thing will be to trim it out, trim the excess out, trim it out, trim it carefully so that you won't cut the stitching. So you trim the both sides to make it look more perfect. Okay, now after trimming, I just have to turn it over. I'm just going to turn it over now. Turn it to the front, and then here we have our cuff. Just press it and just iron it. Okay, now going back to the sleeve itself, I measure 4.5 and then 4. You can see the way I measured it from this angle to this angle, 4.5, and then horizontally 4.5 and vertically 4. Then I gently cut it. After the cutting, and I go back to the sewing machine. This is the placket. Look at the way I hold the placket. This is the placket. So with the way I'm holding it now, I take this one and then merge it. You can see the way I merge it, and then I sew from here to here. Just follow this, just follow the way I placed it, and you will get it correctly. You can see the way I placed the placket on the sleeve. You can see it. The moment you follow the way I placed it and then sew that way, you will get it right. The front facing the back of the sleeve, that is, you place it by facing the front of the flap to the back of the sleeve, and so that when you turn it over, the placket will go to the front of the sleeve. Now we're done sewing. So let me show you how I'm going to turn it over now, and we'll see what we just did right now. So after sewing, this is how it's going to look. I see. Then I turn it this way. Turn it simply like this, and it will go to the front. Perfect. So I iron it to straighten it. Okay, now after this ironing, you just sew this like this, and like this, so to make it stick to the sleeve. And now it's for us to join the cuff to the sleeve. See the way I hold it, you place it this way and then sew it from this angle inward. Gently you sew so you don't miss it out. As you are sewing, you ensure the alignment of the cuff and the sleeve. Okay, you joined it the first time and then you're going to turn it inside. Turn it up now to sew the inside. So from the inside you sew again. You sew the inside again. I just hope you get the way I'm sewing this. Just follow it perfectly.